Ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere ọdụ na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu temple ọ ya adị, maka na eziokwu anwụ chacha. Ndị ụka erika anyị front and back front and back. Chacha sị kara aka nọ n'ụmụ Igbo si anyị rabụ nke anyị na nke ka mma. Buru Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ okpuru ụka abịakwa. Mmadụ Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, eze anyị si na ọma mme ọma nwụchacha. Oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi. Chukwu abịa gbara mmadụ ume, ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na-eje eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, aka m bụkwa onye nke gị Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Anyị abịakwara n'oge awa nke eziokwu, oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba. Isiokwu n'ụbọchị taata bụ Orie. Asị m na Orie taa eritere anyị ihe ọma ma ripụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. Asị m na onye ọbụla na-eche ihe ọjọọ ya eme gị na ọ ga-enwe ọdachi. Onye sị na ị ga-adị mma na onye a ga-adị mma, mana onye sị na ya ama adị mma na onye a ama adịnata mmadụ iro ụwa agwụ ise. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry, ngalaba anyị ji ekwubi okwu na-eme ministration anyị using ọdịnala method. Ngalaba anyị ji ekwubi okwu n'isi ndị enyi anyị Friends of the Temple. Anyị kwuru ọrụ mmụọ anyị na-alụ maọbụ n'afọ anyị na-agba na distance abụrụ ịbara ya. Ebe ọ bụla ị nọ under the influence of our voice, you can still join us. Sonyekwara anyị ụbọchị Wednesday anyị ji eme nka na temple. Abụ m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. My mission is to help people live better life. Isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taata bụ Signs of a Called One. More signs about a called one. And the why you should not fight or cause a called one. Maka mpịawa azụ. Nyawa bụ isiokwu anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa. Echefukwana na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Disemba ga-ebido na Disemba 6. So echi isonyere anyị na nke anwa, ị mara na ị ga-abịa na Disemba 6 sonyere anyị na ya. Ọ ga-last from December 6 to December 19 ka anyị ga-achụ aja dị iche iche. Nkwazi ebubu mee sara ka wee mechie. aja mbunye na aja epụta ihe aja esigo na ebunye ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ elu ichi isonye na aja ihe ị ga-eme wụ ịfọwọd ya 3 prayer request mee donation token to the account number ichi isonye ihe ị ga-eme wụ ịchaatị m na WhatsApp ndị na-esonye bụ anyị amago ka anyị si eme ya ịchaatị m na WhatsApp ka m gwazie gị details I need from you ka e wee bukuo gị and it must be booked before 6th of December ka ị nwee ike isonye ịchaatị na WhatsApp na nke a dị gị n'obi ịchaatị m na 0805 78 37672 I repeat 0805 78 37672 ka anyị batazie n'isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa ejiri mara onye akpọrọ ọrụ ya na ihe kpatara na ime agba mgba gboo onye akpọrọ ọrụ mgbe okpuru ma ọ bụ gbuo ya ọnụ ma ọ bụ sị ka ebuso ya agha n'ụdị abụ n'ụdị maka mpịawa azụ. In the history of the entire creation, nobody have ever fought a cold one and go scot-free. You can never. You know why? What you are trying to do when you are fighting a cold one is like putting a spanner or trying to cause a stumbling block on a moving train, and therefore you will be crushed. I the friends and the friends of the temple and our fans. I MTN Webia, MTN 500, I quasi Glow 500. So, and the card are solely our fans. Please don't copy this card and give to anybody. Yes. If it's not the network you are using, we are called today. Jump and pass. Tomorrow on might be the network you are using. Or when they can watch video later today. When they can watch using YouTube channel. You got that? So what am I saying in essence is this. Signs of a cold one. And one of certain things is very common among the cold one. I am a Tubugiaka, Nankuzi, Basado cold ones. Signs of a cold ones. I could in the past. Manatata actually with another angle to it. Then another angle to it, Buna. Oh, something very common, very unique among the cold one. The guy Bob on a Meggie. Bob name and do any mark. A man no only to have a cold one. Yes. Ọ na ibu onye ni notice na ndụ gị na onye ọbụla wepụtara ọnụ o ji eriji eriede wee ka ọsụọ gị ma ọ bụ onye ọbụla gbara gị mgba na-enweta mpịawa azụ. The person nwere ike ịda n'ute ọrịa. The person nwere ike ịnwụ anwụ. The person nwere ike inweta ihe mgbu dị iche iche. Ọ bụrụ na ụdị ihe a na-eme ịchọpụta na ụdị ihe a na-eme onye ọbụla busoro gị agha na-enwe ihe ọdachi. A man not likely ni onye akpọrọ ọrụ. Yes, ọ bụrụ not likely na ịbụ onye akpọrọ ọrụ. Yes. Ị bụrụ onye na-abụ onye ọbụla busoro gị agha adịghị ana scot-free. A man iwe onye akpọrọ ọrụ. You know why? Ọ bụrụ na ọgụ nwa na-emie. Yes. Ị nwere ike even when you don't want to punish the person, maybe the person in a soft spot for the person, maybe not be a relative. Ị chọrọ ka o nwee ọdachi. Mana the natural laws they put there in drive. No onye ọbụla onye ka ndị wee gọọ ọfọ ngọta sị na onye ọbụla na-eche ihe ọjọọ ga-eme gị Nwachukwu okike na onye ahụ ga-enwe ọdachi. Ọ bụgo natural laws dị yarị. So onye ọbụla chọrọ ka ihe o eme gị ome onwe ya. Ọ dị ka ọgụ nwa na-eme. Mana ọ bụrụ ọgụ nwa na-eme. Ihe ka ọ sụrụ ya bụ na enwere imirikiti spirits and forces that is going before and after you as a cold one. And those spirits, their work is to ensure that always come to fulfillment, and nobody, no force will stop it. And anybody over that you stop what you want that you I hear Jama a cold one. So open on a make money more on a man when you have a cold one. No two ways about it. Mana mma akọwala gị ka ịghọta different stages of called ones. Yes. Ndị akpọrọ ọrụ bụrụ nnukwu iche ka m na-ekwu maka ha. Yes. Onye ọbụla nwere mission o ji bịa n'ụwa. Mana the called ones na-agwa gị bụ ndị nwere special call why they were created and permitted to be here on earth at this point in time. O nwere ndị akpọrọ ọrụ ka ha bụrụ pharmacist, ndị na-arụ ọgwụ. Nwee ndị akpọrọ ọrụ ka ha bụrụ ndị ndu, leaders. Nwee ndị akpọrọ ọrụ ka ha bụrụ ndị amụma. Nwee ndị akpọrọ ọrụ ka ha bụrụ priest, ndị nchụaja. Nwee ndị akpọrọ ọrụ ka ha bụrụ just dibia. It's a profession, like I said. Yes. And when that were all as community leaders. Yes. When that were all do peacemakers. And when they back all. Yes. My side quite examples. So you're not ọ bụrụ na onye ọbụla akpọrọ ọrụ, ọ bụrụ na ya bụ eze nwaanyị ma ọ bụrụ prọfet ma ọ bụ pastọ ma ọ bụrụ no. Enwere ndị akpọrọ ọrụ n'ụdị dị iche iche ka mmadụ ga-ata. N'akwụkwọ na ancient book, o nwere onye a na-akpọ Jesi. Jesi amụtara ụmụ okorobịa 12 nke fọmụ 12 tribe of Judah, 12 tribe of Israel. O nwere ofu nwa ya. Okay, mbọ Jacob. Yes. Ma Jesi bụ onye mụtara ụmụ okorobịa ndị ọzọ wee mụtakwa David. Jesi bụ nna David. Yes. And my miss good story up with akụkọ Jacob. Mana nke bụ Jesi. Jesi bụ the father of David. O nwere ụmụ okorobịa ndị ọ mụrụ. David bụrụ nke nta, the smallest child, the nwoke. Na-ada esobi ya akpọpụsị atụrụ ma anụmanụ ha. Ọ jetasịa nri ọgbụwatakwa ha. O wee bụrụ na oge lụọ, ozi wee dara Samuel, a high priest, ka ọ gawa na ngwurube Jesi. Olu ebe a na o nwere ofu nwa ya bụ a called one, onye akpọrọ ka ọ bụrụ onye ndu, a leader. O wee jeme na agbụrụ, o wee jeme na ngwurube Jesi. Ruo ebe a wee sị Jesi na onye nwe anyị gwara ya bịa ka ọ bịa tee nwa ya mmanụ. Na o nwere nwa ya bụ a called one, a gwara ya ka ebe tee mmanụ. Otute mmanụ means manifestation n'oge ọlụgo elugo. Otute mmanụ ma ọ bụ na-emere ọ bụrụ ọgwụ dị baptizim na-eme na ụmụazị nwatakịrị nwere ihe ọma. Yes. But ihe dị mkpa bụ gbetere mmanụ ma emere mansion. Ihe dị mkpa bụ na ọ bụ dị ma ọ bụ na-emelụ mmadụ initiate ma ọ bụ na-emelụ mmadụ share. Enwere ihe na-anụsa language siri iche. Ị ga na-anụ ihe dịka baptism, confirmation, na-anụ initiate, na-anụ kpọbata, na-anụ shared, and so many other things. So the whole language means the same thing. Ihe o minụrụ bụ na oge eji ame anointing gị ma ọ wụ mee gị wụsa gị mmiri ma ọ whatever means you use. Mana ihe dị mkpa bụ the time of the awakening. Ịgwa gị na oge ọlụ gị ebidogo. You hear me? Yes. So after the awakening, whether my anointing may be mmiri ma whatever means you use, you up that one gị ga na iwu ọlụ gị. Ọ bụkwa na ọdịnala, o nwere ihe anyị na-akpọ ịgba ọsọ agwụ. N'ijere gba ọsọ agwụ, then eme ntọcha gị esetie gị free. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na akwụgwago gị ka ị gaa nọ n'ihu ọlụ gị. Now David, this David, little David, ka Samuel nwetara ozi n'aka Chukwu okike. Ya jebe na agbụrụ na ngwurube Jesi. O nwere nwa ya bụ ka ọ dị nwa na ọ ga-ete mmanụ ka oge ọrịa wee bido. O wee jebe na ngwurube Jesi. Ruo na ngwurube Jesi, o nwere ụmụ ya niile akpọpụtakwa onye nka, onye na-eche onye nka. after that the star. Ime ọrụ onye akpọrọ ọrụ nwere ọbụdị nwere the inner eyes. Ị ga-afụ na enwere the inner eyes, inner star. Ama nke m mesikọwara gị ya. Mana enwere something as radiates. Yadago? Onye abata na ịbụrụ ezigbo onye mmadụ mara ihe. Don't allow people to be touching your forehead here like that anyhow. Yes. Or they can touch your shoulder. They can touch your shoulder. But evil people can touch here to cause another problem for you. Can't wait, let's for another day. Yes. Person can hold your hand or shoulder to bless you. Not even though I can afford it. So come on, guys. I'll let you for another day. So what am I saying? In the Kubuna, Owesia or what the woman, about the one also. Only to Onya, or mouth that's a sparkling light, the radiation. Or some bad obronia. About the woman, Kobe and in the Bob Tacha. We won't call for that light, the radiation that radiates. Or where George Umokoro being well and Guru or Guna. I say I don't want the minor, don't want a minor, don't want the smallest boy. Their job of battle. No, I won't get one. Who said Jesse Buna, like I will walk it? No, cow minor. Oh, where's that about here? Oh, where you were Macana, only I want the place, but oh, you use it. Why I don't want one walk, none I would not good babies. One up on all. Manania, I know Pelampe. Man, open a pempe, open size, Gajama. So, where's your boy, and a born at chatter or webata. Immediately the somewhat the prison area for the light. Where's your nonia? Where tell a man whose one would tell your man, David assume that power, that the inner power, the inner courage has been activated. Or that to see one thing you will know about the called ones, any called one that have been activated, fearless. If you called one, Mobune Kabonot, Mane na Tojo, Ojo de Juga, the inner power have not been activated. But one thing you must conquer first as a genuine ordinary person, you got to wake with fear. Nobody can harm you if the person did not receive permission from the spiritual world. So therefore, the entities of powers. So above name and the entities of powers. What will you do as a smart person? Is to go more the entities of powers and Bamba gonna happen. Well, shall we hear game and to get you an entities of power at handle? And I'm carry that. So if you go cinema, you can't move. Okay, boy. Oh, I won't know about your over and wash and over and what. Again, man, from that moment, Moses, David, we activated that inner power, the God wicked. To the extent, don't well, the lofa over by Goliath. Now, I got to the Jew. Ojo wedge there. Mother David, Onya Ugolo, Obro, Onyendu, now by the house more he is. He's called to be a leader for his people. He assumed that position. Imagine that small boy to get the courage. Yes, Makana, he's a called one. The inner spirit that will get when he had mother will keep. Now, whatever he wish, he will get. So he now pleaded that not David, not Goliath, catch or cable. Onilo, Ndibaha, or Jenny Huaga, both Goliath. I tell me, Boya on Abu Goliath, I say, called one. Mother open them when he came, get to the watch. Yes, your life and whatever that surrounds you is not in the hands of your enemy. Or the Aka. Chukwu ekekere ka ndị njere nke Chukwu. Tụnye chụkwa ndụ gị, nye dị n'aka Chukwu oke na ndị njere nke Chukwu dịchara ndụ gị. Ịghọtara ihe mere? So exactly onye bụ ihe na-eme. Nya bụ ihe na-eme. O wee bụrụzie na o si etu a wee dị. David bido ụbọchị a bụrụ onye ndu nke obodo ya na-edufa. So if a called one must not be a dibia or an eze one or a pastor. You can be called to be a leader. Come on, go for it. The man cousin man and my like he him where married out him. For me, only in a mamu Ogbuefi EZE-ANA Ugochi. I'm not a politician, I'm not interested. Yes. But I normally go to polling booth, I vote. Yes. Before now, the past elections, I do vote. You understand? Even now, my voting destiny is in the north, Abuja. But I have already transferred it down to my local government because I want to have my PVC. You know? So what am I saying? You, I'm not interested in for any to contest for any election. I'm not interested. You know why? Because it's not my call. It's not my call. But to express my civic duty, yes, I will do that. Mana to come and campaign for election, no, not my calling. You understand? Yes. But if I'm called to give advice to whoever that is leading, I will do that to ensure that whoever that is leading lead well. Especially Ebambo, Fona, here Masalo, history and our culture. Now, it's why you know why they story about. That is even with interest the most. You know, then, man, I'm for the way that man, his life has been a puzzle. Obi here bagari to the mother. You can tell how things work. I have so much respect for him, and I have this attraction to him. I don't know why. Maybe because he's a cold one. It does not start today. My attraction to him started when I was in Okobia. Yes. I came to know him during the time of Engineer Tony Aboro, when he was the leader of Leti Council on the Archdiocese, when I was in Okobia. The person is no other person than His Excellency Gregory Pitobi, former governor of Anambra State. I'm not a politician. If you watch my lectures, I'm not interested. Yes, but I want to use this gentleman as a case study. During that time, I think early 2000. I think 2003 or so, or 2003 or so, by the election, I came to hear about him. And believe in me, I joined political party for the first time. I was drawn to this man. I campaigned for him. That time, I lived in Awada then. Awada. Yes. I campaigned for him, I worked for him. That time, my parish then was Ebaku. I campaigned for him. And I am sure I voted, and people around me, my friends, voted for him then. I just like him. I don't know why. That time, we have not tested. No, that time, nobody know what he can do. But my spirit attracted to him. Now, after that election, I began to study him. Remember, what really attracted me to him for the first time is when I saw his post that his poster, his poster then was, are we cause or are we the cause? Are we cause? Are we the cause? Abụrụ anyị ọnụ ka ọ bụ anyị nwa kọsụrụ ihe na-eme anyị. I thought about these words over and over time. I was that these words, this statement is filled with wisdom. That is exactly what happened. That is exactly what happened. So I was attracted to him. Since that time till date, I keep following him. I keep following him. What people are looking after is not what I'm looking after. I keep following him, not only him. I followed some other leaders in this country. I found something so unique about this man. He's not only politicians that have been heavily persecuted. No. I can give you an example. His Excellency Ambode of Lagos State was seriously persecuted. Yes. Our former head of state, Goodluck Jonathan, was heavily persecuted. But there is something, and just to mention with few, yes. I just want to use this book as a case study. Now, but His Excellency Mr. Peter, I remember that time when he was in the seat, he refuses to take any title, saying that don't give me any title till at the end of my tenure, you judge me and they know if I deserve anything. He keeps saying it. I can't forget that statement. He stood by it. But I took my time to analyze this man, and I came to conclude that this man is a called one. Take it or leave it. Love him or hate him. I'm not a politician. As we speak now, I do not belong to any political party. But I know if when time comes for me to do what I'm supposed to do as my civic right, I will do it. Do get? Yes. But what really happened is that I keep monitoring him. And I find out that this man is a called one. He's called to be a leader. He's not called to be a lender, be a priest, or to be any other. No. He's called to be a leader. He's a born leader. I'm not promoting anybody. If people know that I don't promote it, but I want to use this lecture to show you something. And the one thing that is so common about called one is a good called one, the simplicity and humility. Look at David. Simplicity and humility. All the very common among called ones, genuine called ones. I don't know Jack Haboma, genuine called ones. They are very simple and humble. You know what I mean? But whenever on your own you decide to take them for granted, to fight them, believe in me, you will pay for it. This man is a God. I started following him from when he was impeached illegally. Yes. Many mago was done. Some people thinking that he still came back. Still complete his tenure. And believe in me, from that in 2003 till now, all the people that persecuted him in one way or the other, where are they? Politically, those of them that are politicians have already taken out in our political terrain. one after the other. I don't want to start mentioning names, but they all fizzle out. You know, Talia? They all fizzle out. You know what happened? Till now, anybody that raised voice against him, we have issue. Anybody till now, even till this 2023 election, understand that anybody that raised voice is his nature. For me, I'm not saying that he will win 2023 election, but what I'm saying is a cold one. And there's a reason why he's choosing. Remember, cold ones are not perfect though. Yes, cold ones are not saints. I can give you some examples. Yes, but they are apple of God's eyes. Let me use that statement. How the Chukwu Okike na nature, how the forces of nature. Once you deal with them, once you cause them, once you fight them, they're dealt with you. The forces of nature will do it. Once you may have go omego n'imendum amagum ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ in as much as mụ na nwe ike na-achọ ka m forgive onye anwa onye forgive onye anwa onye a ga-enwetarịrị bụ ala ka bụ pezie mpe mana onye a mee m ihe anwa wute m so much very hard ihe ọ ga-eme bụ onye a ga-enwetarịrị mpịawa azụ o nwere ike emesizi onye a nwee ike rikọba dọkwanye ihe mgbalụ m forgive onye anwa ma yet onye a ga-enwetarịrị some bruises. And they will go to Moka, check each other, exactly. You cause him, he will have problem. You hurt him, he will have problem. Ebe Chukwu Okike and the Mosiya Biaga Mungamaro. But now when he came for election as one of our president, nobody took him serious. But eventually, whatever happened on that, no one can nobody am back. They will show down. A buy and back, he will show down. The two are called the called one. Hard work perfect. Example: David in the Bible. David committed one or two that is imperfect. Yes, and the God Himself, the forces of nature, dealt with him in their own way. As a cold one, even if whenever a cold one go astray, don't fight them. Allow when the body hollow, to deal with them. They have the way of dealing with them. But you, as a novice, as a ofeke, to go and deal with them or cause them, thinking that the money you move back. You fight them on your own, move back. All you come on the wind, you go Salo. Ejigoma ya malaga. David Major. Oh, you're mbalo. Chukwu Okike ka baria. Ebe a ga-ata ya afọ ata ya afọ. Etu ba no senwa. Etu akọ dịkwa ndị prophet of the old. Once you go astray, the forces of nature they follow they deal. Oh, nya ba ko ntise gị. Adi mo nya ya malaga. Etu akọ dịkwu other people. That is why when he gave mu aweza kam pụtalụ na cause onye agbọrọ ọrụ whether mo melu mma whether mo melu njọ no one make cause onye mara problem. Come on, one advice when in your I will give the person politely like when back issue came. I only advise him. I got to go out there, especially go out. Yes. Man, I'm one of me put that. You hear upon that a called one person did not do right. That's castigating on social media or to get followers or to do this. No, I don't do it. You know why? Now man don't want the body all and then that body all over the bush and they all know matter of man they dealt with it in their own way. Say who am I? Or more came to the church. Matthew 7:7 says, don't judge so that you don't be judged. So stop judging a cold one. If you want to support the person, but don't judge. Makapiawas. You know, so over no me and the make more even the sign a malo Ibonia and they put them here. I want to nap all who did the best. Where will they be the Mala? When that all no did the teacher. What again? Nadibia, a profession. Yes, Nadibia, who go to a doctor is a profession. What again? Nadibia does not represent the authority of ordinary. Yes, a Dibia might not be a traditionalist, a core traditionalist. A Dibia might be doing one or two that is wrong because of his own ignorance or where he's coming from. So, no nature a traditionalist when they will call traditionalist. When they will call Dibia, man have called traditionalist. And they make them mark. So don't judge a Dibia or because of what a Dibia did or is a wine. Now paint on the back, black no. Or the nana is here the wrong way and a traditionalist. Then the Dibia is a profession. In one adjutant Nkuzi, send their money when I add money to Kabalagafa. Mono way and Abu Gojuan or the Nanibo. Send their message in WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672. I poke at the edge of my hair. Maybe a glow. I will glow 500. 31 62 25 84 43 54 65 5. Again 61 6 again 31 62 25 84 43 54 65 5. Let me call it for the last time. 31 62 25 84 43 54 655. That is Glow airtime. For MTN 78 54 22 04 81. Again 78 54 22 04 31. Let me call MTN for the last time. 78 54 22 04 81. HFuna card is only for my fans. If you are the lucky one, please comment so that people will know how they will really well. Yeah, guys, yeah. Now, to work, you can get me here in there. Ayo, who be open in the who called ones all over the globe. Above no yana, when they're under the influence of my voice. Their inner power has not been activated. Let them be helped. Let them receive help so that they will go to their duty post. Now, you was in this in the Boloha, the Wolgorias, a call, a cochanda or all, a Dutch Abraham will to as if na habro na hebron wa. One on your bonabonia or all they want to pop. Macano mother have. Candidate to a able to hackano, Kahapuse, a cotton, a bobononia, about all Lucy, where you and Perry Macano, one on your zero. Kamakaha promote the strength of the cold ones. Every day, ever highly pretty. Let them summon courage to advise them properly. Stados on the tour, well by Cielo, did the tour. Now I was listening to the friends of the temple all over the world. ebe niile onye anọ na wee nọ under the influence of my voice ka ihe niile bụ ọchịchị obi onye bịa na mmezu, ka onye ọbụla na-eche ihe ọjọọ ịdị megide onye ọbụla nọ under the influence of my voice ma ọ bụ onye na-esonye n'ife anyị na-eme n'Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple, ka ndị niile na-echere ha ihe ọjọọ ka ha nwee ọdachi n'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, ka a gọzie ndị niile na-agọzi ha ma ọ kwulukwazie ndị niile na-ekwulu ha, ka ife ọma dị iche iche mezuoro ha, ka ife ọma dị n'elu ya dara fa na ọdịnala ya pụrụ ha ome n'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Echefukwana inwe ajụjụ na nkụzi a, chaatị m na WhatsApp 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672. Ya gazie n'afọ. Ọ ga-adịkwazi ụdị oge a echi niile bụ Wednesday, anyị ga-anọkwa ya n'oge awa nke eziokwu by 9 a.m. Ya gazie nụ. Civic.